Sean, aka Mr. Latin. Why we are out today is because of what is happening around the country. It's because of what is trending right now. That we need to put our voice together. We need to end police brutality. We need to end police brutality. We are not criminals. We are not armed robbers. We are not thieves. We are not down. As you can see, this is peaceful protest. End police brutality. Begging federal government to please encourage our youth. And we want them to stop this. And that is why we're saying all this in the beautiful city of Abeokuta. Yeah! All the youth in Ogun State. All the youth in Ogun State. We're in the one voice now, saying they should end police brutality! Police brutality! Police brutality! Please, stop killing us. Police brutality. We must put an end to police brutality. Thank you so much. End police brutality. End police brutality. My name is Akiyemi Olatoye, Alawiye Federation. Well, we have joined our voice to that of the Nigerian youth to say that the federal government of Nigeria should end the brutality of Nigerian youth because they tell us right from the childhood that we are the leaders of tomorrow. If you brutalize the life of the youth, when are they going to become the leader of tomorrow? Okay. You can see this is the most peaceful protest ever. Yes. Because we have our name to protect. Yeah. We love our country. We love our people. So, and that is why we are here today to tell the federal government this is what we want. This is what we need. That they should end police brutality.
My own name is Elaji Shefiu and Aroba.
Yes, we have rights. We have our voice to speak out, to tell the federal government what we want. And that is why we are here today. And that is why great people are here today. And that is why fantastic actors, celebrities, wonderful citizens of this country out there everywhere in Nigeria, that is why they came out to speak out that they must end police